Most people have heard of cryptocurrency in the last few years, even if they haven't invested in it. Is it time to invest now that the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies are going down? Will crypto come back stronger after the crash? But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. Why is cryptocurrency crashing? The crypto crash is caused by many things, including record high inflation, fear, rising interest rates, and a loss of faith in crypto investments. Analysts say that most of the factors are macro, which means they have to do with the economy as a whole and not with problems in the crypto market. At the moment, there is a lot of fear on the markets. The market has already priced in several rate hikes and a very bad recession. We're in complete risk-off mode for all assets, just like we were in risk-on mode, Bill Barrett, CEO of the crypto financial services company Abra, said in a recent interview with MarketWatch.com. Experts say that there are some things that only apply to crypto investments. Due to extreme market conditions, the crypto lending platform Celsius Networks LLC just stopped all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts. This made cryptocurrency investors even more afraid. The New York Times recently wrote about an investor named Jacob Willett, who is 40 years old and works as a delivery driver. He put all of his savings into an account with Celsius. The Times says that when the platform froze more than $8 billion in assets, Willett was not told that his money was safe. Selling pressure in 2022. Many investors in cryptocurrencies have said that Bitcoin is the new gold for the digital age, and that it could be used as a safe haven investment and a hedge against inflation. But the way cryptocurrencies' prices move shows that the market doesn't seem to see these very volatile assets as safe places to keep money during times of economic uncertainty. Brian Price, who is the Senior Vice President of Investment Management and Research at Commonwealth, says that the easiest way to make money with risky assets is still to sell them. Inflation, rising interest rates, and the war in Ukraine still get the most attention, says Price. The market isn't getting any big good news right now, so it's not surprising that we're under pressure to start the week. Investors are looking for a place to hide from the possible bad effects of the Fed's tightening on the economy, but they aren't looking in the cryptocurrency market. Coinbase took a loss in Q1 2022. In the first quarter of 2022, the popular trading and tracking platform Coinbase lost $430 million and the company's stock fell 81%. News.com said that the company said it was going to let go of 1/5 of its staff. But Coinbase has been through crypto winters before, and many analysts don't worry about its future. John Todaro, a crypto asset researcher at Needham & Company, told News.com that the winter would have to get worse and worse for Coinbase to be in real danger. The crash of crypto isn't just about crypto. A key stock index, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, went into a bear market in the middle of June 2022. The S&P 500 went into a bear market in the first week of July. The crypto crash is affecting the whole industry, not just the investors who lost money. Is the crypto market crashing? Before we look at the future of cryptocurrency investments, let's find out what caused the most recent crash and how bad it is. Coinbase.com says that Bitcoin was 68.33% below its all-time high of $68,789.63 at the beginning of July 2022. A bear market is when investments stay 20% lower than their peak for a long time. So it's clear that Bitcoin is in a bear market. Altcoins like Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies tend to follow Bitcoin's path, so we can use Bitcoin as a measure of the market as a whole. In the first week of July 2022, Bitcoin went up by more than 15%, and crypto bulls aren't moving. According to Cointelegraph.com, experts think prices may stay stable around $20,000 for at least 6 months. They say that if Bitcoin keeps going down, it could end up between $14,000 and $16,000. Ethereum also went up almost 5% between July 6 and July 7, but it hasn't made up for its losses this year and is still a long way from its all-time high of $4,800, which will be reached in late 2019. Will crypto survive a crash? The stock market has a long history of ups and downs. According to the Library of Congress, the first stock exchanges opened in the U.S. in the late 1790s. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, doesn't have a history like that. Investors can rest easy knowing that the stock market has gone through many bear and bull markets over the years. But it's good to know that cryptocurrency has been through more than one crash in its short history. Since 2011, when Bitcoin lost 99% of its value, GaBankingRates.com has found at least 7 big crashes and recoveries in the price of Bitcoin. This is where the term crypto winter came from. TheGuardian.com says that winter comes before spring, so investors may just have to sit this one out and wait for the market to thaw, so to speak. But the most recent crash and the fact that a recession is coming could make many investors hesitant to put money into cryptocurrency. Several Wall Street investors are shorting at the same time. But it might be worth it to wait. BainCrypto.com said, in history, everyone whose investment grew after they bought and waited 4 years or more has done so. What you need to know about crypto investing. People who bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies early on have made a lot of money. But the cryptocurrency market has a long history of being very unstable, which is not what investors want when the market is uncertain. In its history, Bitcoin has had several big drops of more than 80%. The most recent one was in 2018. Like most other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is not tied to physical assets or intellectual property. It also doesn't generate cash flow or pay dividends or interest to investors. Experts say it's hard to figure out what Bitcoin's real value is because its price is only affected by supply and demand. Warren Buffett, CEO of Berkshire Hathaway and an investing legend, recently talked about Bitcoin's flaws at Berkshire's annual investor meeting. He told investors that he wouldn't pay $25 for all of the Bitcoin in the world. I don't know if it will go up or down in the next year, 5 years, or 10 years. One thing I know for sure, though, is that it doesn't grow or make anything, he said. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies could eventually stop being so volatile and stop being linked to other risky assets. Still, the recent price action on the cryptocurrency market suggests that investors may have a rough ride for a while longer. Should you buy the dip in crypto? When buying the dip, investors in crypto should be very careful. When prices drop as quickly as they have in the crypto market in the past few days, that coin you've been eyeing might look like a great deal. Never try to catch a falling knife, says an old Wall Street proverb that fits situations like this well. Using your imagination, you should be able to see that buying the dip, or catching a falling knife, almost always ends in pain. That doesn't mean that smart investors can't make a quick profit when the market is very volatile. But the point is that big, quick changes in the market can be scary for the average investor. Final take. Cryptocurrency is still a very risky investment. If you're willing to take on a lot of risk, you might want to add some crypto to your portfolio right now. But first you should look at your overall budget, your emergency savings, and any high interest debt you may have. With rising interest rates and a recession, it's important to pay down debt and save money for emergencies, such as losing your job. If you feel safe and have extra money to invest, you can buy Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency on any of the best crypto exchanges, such as Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini. So, that's it for today. If you still have questions, please leave a comment below and our team will do its best to address them as quickly as possible. You may get all the latest information by pressing the bell icon and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.